Hello friends, welcome to everybody. Today we will see 15 important questions that can be asked in your PHU agriculture entrance exam. So the question number first is flame of forest or pallas is a common name of option A Castrea fistula, option B Delonix regia, C Castrea nedusa, D Botium monosperma. The right answer is Botium monosperma. Second, origin of guava. Option A, tropical America. B, Japan. C, China. D, Africa. And the right answer is tropical America. Question number third. Bacillus thuringiensis is effective in which order? Option A, Lepidoptera. B, Odonata. C, Diptera. D, Coleoptera. And the right answer is Lepidoptera. Question 4. Carbofurands belong to which group of insecticide? Option A. Chlorinated hydrocarbon. B. Synthetic parathyroid. C. Organophosphate. D. Carbamate. And the right answer is carbamate. Sodium chloride is used for option A. Warm clods seedling. Option B. Cold clod seedling. Option C. Both. D. None. And the right answer is warm cloud seedling. Question number 6. Illustrator ring is used for option A. Castration. B. Dehorning. C. Both A and B. D. None. And the right answer is option A. Castration. Question number 7. Duration of estriosis cycle in sheep is option A. 21 days. Option B. 19 days. Option C. 28 days. Option D. 17 days. And the right answer is 17 days. Question number 8. Verbal hypothesis was proposed by A. Francis Crick, B. Wiseman, C. Biddle and Twitwam, D. Nelson. The right answer is Francis Crick. Question number 9. Imperial Forest Research Institute is located at option A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Bangalore, D. Dehradun. And the right answer is Dehradun. Question number 10. Law of limiting factor given by option A. J.V. Liebig, B. Blackman, C. Wilcox, D. Watson. The right answer is option B. Blackman. Question number 11. Chromosome number of garden pea is option A. 2n is equal to 22. Option B. 2n is equal to 30. C. 2n is equal to 18. D. 2n is equal to 14. And the right answer is option D. 2n is equal to 14. Question number 12. Banarasi Kadka and Gola are varieties of option A. Bear, B. Bale, C. Enola, D. Jackfruit. And the right answer is option A. Bear. Question 13. Kasi Ganga and Kashi Bahar are varieties of option A. Cucumber, B. Ashgard, C. Bittergourd, D. Bottlegourd. And the right answer is Bottlegourd. Question 14. Sindhu variety of mango cross between option A. Neelam and Dasari, B. Dasari and Neelam, C. Ratna and Alfonso, D. Amarpali and Ratna. And the right answer is Ratna and Alfonso. Question number 15. Origin of African marigold. Option A. Africa, B. China, C. France, D. Mexico. And the right answer is Mexico. Question number 16. Sand material transported by wind is called option A. Ulan, B. Delta, C. Liosis, D. Mender. And the right answer is option A. Ulan. Question number 17. AICRP on maize was started in option A. 1957, option B. 1959, option C. 1960, option D. 1970. And the right answer is option A. 1957. Question number 18. Most effective hydraulic channel is option A. Trapezoidal, option B. Semicircular, C. Rectangular, D. Circular. And the right answer is option A. Trapezoidal. Question number 19. Stumpy thick horn at the base is found in option A. Ongal, B. Surti, C. Gir, D. Nagpuri. And the right answer is option A. Ongal. Question number 20. Varicula isocrate is a pest of option A. Mango, B. Banana, C. Pomegranate, D. Lemon. And the right answer is option C. Pomegranate. Question 21. Who profounded the population theory first? Option A. Adam Smith, B. Ricardo, C. Malthus, D. Marshall. And the right answer is option C. Malthus. Question number 22. In case of buffalo and cow, fertilization of ovum occur in option A. Uterus, B. Ovary, C. Cervix, D. Oviduct. And the right answer is oviduct. Question number 23. Gold fleck is a physiological disorder of option A. Brinjal, B. Chili, C. Tomato, D. Potato. And the right answer is option C. Tomato. Question number 24. Soil property is not alterable by tillage. Option A. Structure, B. Texture, C. Aeration, D. Infiltration. And the right answer is option B. Texture. Question number 25. Indian Lac Research Institute is located at option A. Dehradun, B. Coimbatore, C. Ranchi, D. Jodhpur. And the right answer is Ranchi. Question number 26. DD136 is a option A. Bacteria, B. Mite, C. Insect, D. Nematode. And the right answer is option D. Nematode. Question number 27. Which one is associative nitrogen fixing bacteria? Option A. Rhizobium, B. Azospirillum, C. Azotobacter, D. Acetobacter. And the right answer is Azospirillum. Question number 28. Indian dwarf wheat belongs to option A. Triticum durum, B. Triticum aestivum, C. Triticum sphaerococcum, option D. Triticum spelta. And the right answer is Triticum sphaerococcum. Question number 29. Which of the animal has longest gestation period of option A. Cow, B. Buffalo, C. Elephant, D. Sheep. And the right answer is elephant. Question number 30. Who coined the term rhizosphere? Option A. Hiltner, B. Wettner, C. Donald, D. None of these. And the right answer is option A. Hiltner. Question number 31. in which RST3 gene is derived from? Option A, Norrin-10, B, Kalyan Sona, C, Tom Thumb, D, Norrin-10. And the right answer is Tom Thumb. Question number 32. Mitochondria are absent in option A, yeast, B, fungi, C, bacteria, D, green algae. And the right answer is option C, bacteria. Question number 33. Seed without fertilization is obtained from? Option A, Parthenocarpy, B, Apomixis, C, Polyembryony, D, Dormancy. And the right answer is option B, Apomixis. Question number 34. The first president of Entomological Society of India was? Option A, H.S. Purti, option B, Afzal Hussain, option C, Ramakrishna Iyer, option D, none of these. And the right answer is option B, Afzal Hussain. Question number 35. Which gourd known as white flower gourd? Option A, bottle gourd, B, ridge gourd, C, bitter gourd, D, pointed gourd. And the right answer is bottle gourd. Question number 36. National Statistic Day celebrated on which day every year? Option A, 29 June, B, 20 October, C, 29 May, D, 25 August. And the right answer is 29 June. Question number 37. Loranthus is a parasitic weed of option A, rice, B, mango, C, tobacco, D, wheat. And the right answer is mango. Question number 38. Heat transfer in soil mainly occur through? Option A, radiation, B, convection, C, conduction, D, none of these. And the right answer is conduction. Question number 39. DNA does not contain? Option A, adenine, B, cytosine, C, guanine, D, uracil. And the right answer is uracil. Question number 40. Ray fungi is a name given to? Option A, yeast, option B, actinomycetes, option C, ribophyes, D, mycoplasm. And the right answer is actinomycetes. Question number 41. Fruit type of guava? Option A, berry, D, drupe, C, pepo, D, cyconus. And the right answer is option A, berry. Question number 42. Incubation period of turkey? Option A, 20 days, option B, 28 days, option C, 32 days, option D, 40 days. And the right answer is option B, 28 days. Question number 43. Freezing drying is also known as? Option A, lyophilization, option B, hydrophilization, option C, lipophilization, option D, thermophilization. And the right answer is lyophilization. Question number 44. Among oil cake, the highest nitrogen percent in? Option A, neem cake, B, castor cake, C, coconut cake, D, groundnut cake. And the right answer is groundnut cake. Question number 45. Most abundant protein in the world? Option A, rubisco, B, elastin, D, collagen, D. Keratin. And the right answer is Rubisco. Question number 46. Cutworm arrogatis lapsilon is the pest of which crop? Option A. Pomegranate, B. Gram, C. Castor, D. Sugarcane. And the right answer is option B. Gram. Question number 47. Sweetest sugar in fruit is option A. Galactose, B. Fructose, C. Glucose, D. Sucrose. And the right answer is option B. Fructose. Question number 48. Grass tetany caused by deficiency of dash in forage crop. Option A. Mg, B. S, C, Ca, D. Mn. And the right answer is Mg. Question number 49. Edible portion of cauliflower is known as option A. Swollen stem, B. Cud, C. Head, D. Clove. And the right answer is option B. Cud. Question number 50. Yellow color of milk is due to which pigment? Option A. Keratin, B. Casein, C. Albumin, D. Globulin. And the right answer is keratin. So that's all for today. For more daily questions, subscribe to Activity. Thank you.